The typewriter arrived on a rainy Tuesday, an antique found at a dusty estate sale. Mark placed it by the window, drawn to its worn keys and faded letters. That night, as he slept, the machine began to clatter on its own. He woke to a sheet of paper, ink dark red and unfamiliar, reading, "You will bleed before dawn." He shrugged it off, but hours later, a glass shattered in the kitchen, slicing his palm deeply. The next night, another message appeared. "She will scream at midnight." At midnight, his neighbor's terrified scream pierced the silence. Her dog had died suddenly, no cause found. Desperate, Mark threw the typewriter into the alley, but by morning, it sat on his desk again, a fresh sheet warning, "You cannot escape me." Panic rising, he smashed it to bits. The next day, his apartment door stood ajar. On the desk, the keys were perfectly reassembled, and a new message awaited. "Tonight, your story ends." As the clock struck 12, Mark's own fingers moved, typing his final words. Helpless as the machine claimed him,